How to withdraw profit and commission from Aurum Foundation automated crypto trading. Withdrawing your profit from Aurum Foundation's crypto automation platform is very simple if you follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Ensure that all funds you want to withdraw are first transferred to your main balance. Step 2. Go to the Financial Proposals section. Step 3. Click on EXAI-Bot. Step 4. Select Withdraw to move funds into your main balance. Step 5. If you have a referral team in Aurum, go to the Affiliate Programs section to check for available funds. Step 6. Click Transfer from Affiliate, enter the amount you want to move, or simply click the number if you want to send all funds. Step 7. Click Confirm Transfer, and the funds will be credited to your main balance. Step 8. Once all funds are in the main balance, return to your Aurum back-office dashboard. Step 9. Click on Withdraw. Step 10. Select either USDT or USDC. Step 11. Select the network of your wallet address. Step 12. Paste the wallet address of USDT or USDC from your exchange. For example, if you're using Binance. Open Binance. Go to Assets. Click on Add Funds. Click on Chain Deposit. Select USDT. Choose TRC20 network. Copy the deposit address correctly and paste in Aurum. You can also use any other exchange of your choice, but always double-check that the correct address and network are used to avoid loss of funds. Step 13. Click Continue. Step 14. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Start from $25, or select Max to withdraw everything. Step 15. Click Withdraw. Please note that a 1% system commission plus 3.5 network commission will be deducted. Finally, your withdrawal request will be processed, and your funds will arrive in your wallet within 24 to 48 hours. It is important to note that, as with any investment, returns may vary and involve risk. Always invest responsibly. Follow at Wealthbuilder Global Community for more investment opportunities and tutorials.